guys, welcome back to the channel. So we've got the red door bar there, it goes quite a way back, and then we've got the new Bank Bar there. The 12th man bar just down there. And the green door bar over the road. Paradiso bar over the road. And the Hotel Dynastic there. Over the road we've got Benidorm's answer to Greg's. Have you tried it, guys? Do you think it is like Greg's? Big Ben Bistro bar there. And then Union Jack bar. And then of course one of the many Chinese shops here in Benidorm. And Restaurant Yummy. Is that another Chinese takeaway? Please hit the like, guys. Hit the share. Make sure that you hit the like. And I'll see you on the next one.